Everyday phrasal verbs with examples. Listen and repeat. Get up. Get up. It means wake up. Examples. I am an early bird. I get up at 5 a.m. She has to get up early to go to work. Figure out. Figure out. It means understand. Examples. Can you figure out how to do it? If I have a map, I can figure it out. Look for. Look for. It means search for. Examples. I'm looking for Steve. Have you seen him? Detectives are still looking for the escaped prisoner. Go on. Go on. It means continue. Examples. He went on working until he was 91. I felt sick, so I couldn't go on working. Work out. Work out. It means exercise. Examples. Working out makes me feel healthy and energetic. You have to work out if you want to lose weight. How often do you work out? Comment below. Call off. Call off. It means cancel. Examples. She called off the wedding 2 days before the ceremony. I can't believe he called off the meeting. Break up. Break up. It means separate. Examples. After years of fighting, she decided to break up. Alex broke up with his girlfriend last month. Cut down on. Cut down on. It means use something less. Examples. I'm on a diet. I have cut down on sugar. You should cut down on coffee to sleep well. Hold on. Hold on. It means wait. Examples. Hold on a minute. You shouldn't do that. Could you please hold on a second? Let down. Let down. It means disappoint someone. Examples. I'm doing my best not to let my mom down. Don't let him down by lying. Get by. Get by. It means manage. Examples: don't worry, I can get by this problem. She has a lot of obstacles to get by. Give up. Give up. It means stop trying. Examples: I can't believe I had to give up. Giving up is not an option. Calm down. Calm down. It means relax. Examples: stop yelling and try to calm down. You need to calm down before talking to him. Get over. Get over. It means feel better. Examples: he got over his sickness sooner than I thought. Finally, I've gotten over the flu. Run into. Run into. It means see someone accidentally. Examples: you won't believe whom I ran into last night. I was walking to work when I ran into my ex. Look up. Look up. It means search something. Examples: look this word up on dictionary, please. I'll just look up the train times. Pass away. Pass away. It means die. Examples: my grandmother passed away years ago. My wife had just passed away, so I didn't go out. Come back. Come back. It means return. Examples: she always comes back home after a long day at work. I don't want to come back to this job. Pull over. Pull over. It means stop a car. Examples: the police told me to pull over. Pull over. This is me. Eat out. Eat out. It means go to a restaurant. Examples: I'm not in the mood for cooking. Let's eat out. I always eat out on the weekends. Call for. Call for. It means help. Examples: I always call for my mom when there is a problem. Don't call for anyone when you're in trouble. Go after. Go after. It means chase or follow someone. Examples: she went after her friend after a big fight. He never goes after his girlfriend after an argument. Take off. Take off. It means remove. Examples: take off your shoes before entering the house. I took off my clothes to take a shower. Tear down. Tear down. It means destroy a building. Examples: this old tower has to be torn down. To build a new building, we have to tear the old one down. Put out. Put out. It means make a fire stop. Examples: the rescue services are still trying to put out the fire. The garden burnt as he had forgotten to put out the fire. Give away. Give away. It means give something to someone for free. Examples: if I had a lot of money, I would give some away. I want to give away my old clothes. Cut in. Cut in. It means interrupt. Examples: don't cut in my conversation when I'm talking. I hate it when people cut in my conversation. Hope you find it useful. For other phrasal verb videos, subscribe to my channel and share with your friends.